My name is Saint Anselm, and I'm the Archbishop of Canterbury and a philosopher. And to answer the question, is faith rational? I pondered this question for a while. I wrote a book of little arguments to explain God and faith and the world, and then I realized that these were all separate little arguments and wondered if there was one argument that underlied everything. So I searched for the answer to this, but really could not find it and became very frustrated. So tried to put it out of my mind until it forced itself upon me, and I found an answer. And that answer is that I believe faith is rational because it's tied to this idea of God, that God is the greatest being that can ever be thought of. And when I came to this conclusion, I asked the question, well, is it better to be thought of or to actually exist? And of course, the answer to that is it is better to actually exist. And so, therefore, since God is the greatest being that can be thought of, no other being can be greater or try to be greater, he therefore must exist. And so, because God exists, one can have faith and belief in him. And that answers the question, is faith rational? Well, because we can rationally conclude that God exists because he is the greatest being that can ever be thought of, then belief in that God is a rational thing.